Natural inner health remedies. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do you want to lose weight, but don't know how? If we diet because we're not pleased with our current weight, we need to alter that relationship permanently. Obesity is a significant health problem for individuals, and losing weight can be very hard. Food is needed and enjoyable, but also know that we can be in total control of what we eat. Simply put, in order to lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Research in Australia shows to reduce one's body weight and feelings of hunger, you must consume both low GI foods, foods made up of carbohydrates, and high-protein meals. Try these 7 foods for 7 days and see what happens to your body. 1. Avocado is an excellent source of fiber. Many studies have shown dietary fiber plays a vital role in weight loss. It also contains potassium 485 mg per 100 grams, which helps with healthy digestion. Stomach gases are reduced as avocado contains a low quantity of fructose. Studies have shown people that consume avocado regularly have a lower body mass index. This is due to its dietary fiber and monounsaturated fatty acids. With its high fiber content, it helps you feel full for longer. Avocado has many health benefits. It is used in health food dishes due to its vitamin and minerals. Health experts advise eating avocado daily as it contains vitamin B6, C, E, K, folate, zinc, manganese, magnesium, iron, potassium, to name a few. 2. Green leafy vegetables. Human clinical trials have shown more significant weight loss from a high vegetable intake when on a weight loss diet. Spinach is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants and is considered very healthy. Studies have shown people that consume spinach in replacement of fatty foods as part of their regular diet lost significantly more body weight than those who didn't. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and only 20 calories per serving. 3. Apples are an easy addition to any diet. Eat them with the skin on for the greatest health benefits. The pectin in apples helps to maintain good gut health. Apples are high in fiber and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, some cancers, and diabetes. Studies have shown people that consumed apples regularly were 30% less likely to be overweight than those who did not. It is important to note that the skin of the apple contains higher antioxidant activity and cancer-fighting properties than the flesh of the apple. Apples are an excellent source of antioxidants, fiber, carbohydrates, vitamin C, and only 95 calories. 4. Did you know cucumber is a fruit and not a vegetable? It comes from the flower of the cucumber plant that contains the seeds. If you love eating cucumbers and are looking for a natural remedy for weight loss, cucumbers can make for an easy replacement because they are extremely low in calories and even lower in fat, only 0.35 grams. They are water-filled fruit. They also contain vitamin A, B, and K. Cucumbers are great in salads along with a serve of protein like chicken, tuna, or even on their own as a snack. The high fluid and potassium content of cucumbers helps to rid the body of extra fluid quickly, resulting in quick weight loss. Studies have shown you can lose as much as 7 kilograms in 7 days on a cucumber diet, and this is okay for a short-term diet if you wanted to lose a few kilos, but unlikely to satisfy in the long term due to lack of crucial nutrients. So, it's essential to add protein-rich food to your cucumber diet. 5. Watermelon is related to the cucumber and makes an excellent option for people wanting to lose weight. This fruit has a high water content, approximately 92%. It promotes weight loss due to its weight in water. In the stomach, you feel fuller for longer and flushes out the toxins. Watermelons are a great source of vitamin A, B1, B6, C, and minerals such as potassium and copper, and only 30 calories per 100 grams. Watermelon can also reduce blood pressure and help reduce muscle soreness, so why not eat watermelon after your exercise workout? This is okay for a short-term diet if you wanted to lose a few kilos, but unlikely to satisfy in the long term due to lack of crucial nutrients. So, it's essential to add protein-rich food to your watermelon diet. 6. Almonds are satisfying. They make a great snack or include them in a meal. Nuts are usually high in fat and calories, but almonds play a crucial role in weight loss. Almonds are packed with protein. According to the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA), 28 grams of almonds, about 22 whole nuts, has 6 grams of protein. Diets that are high protein, low in carbohydrates will suppress appetite and increase metabolism. By including almonds in your diet, you will likely lose weight by reducing unnecessary snacking. Almonds are also packed with fiber, which will keep you fuller for longer, giving you a satisfying feeling than eating a meal with little to no fiber. Almonds are high in healthy fats, called monounsaturated fat, which is good for your heart health. It also provides the advantage of digesting slowly, meaning it can curb hunger and provide energy also. So, by eating almonds, you will be consuming fewer calories. Almonds are a great source of fiber, protein, fat monounsaturated, vitamin E, B2, manganese, magnesium, copper, and phosphorus. 7. Beans. They are also an excellent replacement for meat as a source of vegetarian protein. Lentils are a great source of protein and make an excellent addition to soups and stews. They also have several health benefits. Lentils are a great source of fiber, protein, vitamin B9, B1, manganese, copper, and only 230 calories per 198 grams or 1 cup. Studies have shown that lentils improve healthy gut levels and bowel function. Another study demonstrated those with a high intake of lentils in their diet had the lowest rate of diabetes. In another study, 2 groups of participants, one group was given pasta and tomato sauce containing lentils, and the other group pasta and tomato sauce without the lentils. What it showed was those who ate the pasta with lentil sauce ate less and had a lower blood sugar level than the group without the lentil sauce. Exercise is a vital part of the new regimen. Only by burning more calories than are consumed is weight loss. Begin slowly. Walking is a great way to start. Walk at least 30 minutes about 5 times a week. You'll see improvements in a short time, which will encourage you to keep going to achieve your goal. Keeping in mind the fantastic health benefits of these 7 foods, one should make a habit of consuming them daily with plenty of exercise for leading a healthy life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.